everyone! Today we're going to draw a cute little turtle together. Let's get started. First, let's draw the turtle's head on the paper. Begin by drawing an oval shape. Next, connect the turtle's head to its body, which is the turtle's shell. Use a curved line along the bottom to shape it. Now let's draw the turtle's neck. After that, draw the turtle's eyes. Draw a circle on the head, and inside that circle, draw a semicircle. Fill in the remaining space. Once you've filled it in, add 3 long eyelashes to the turtle's eye. Then draw the other eye. Look at that! We now have a playful, cute, and beautiful little turtle. Now let's draw the turtle's legs. 2 legs at the back and 2 at the front. Once the legs are drawn, let's complete the pattern on the turtle's shell. Using semicircles and circles, fill in the pattern on the turtle's shell. Great job! Now the turtle's shape is complete. Next, let's draw the underwater background. Using wavy lines, draw the seaweed vertically. The seaweed can be long or short, so you can add the amount and length of the seaweed according to your own style. After drawing this, follow along and use wavy lines to create another type of seaweed. Make them big or small in various shapes. Next is the third type of seaweed. Draw a long curved line and then use oval shapes one after another. For the fourth type, do the same as the third. Now that we've finished drawing, it's time to color. Take out your dark green marker to color the patterns on the turtle's back and the lower edge of the shell. Then, use your light green marker to color the turtle's head and feet, as well as the blank spaces on the turtle's shell. After coloring the turtle, continue using the light green marker to color the seaweed. For the seaweed on the right, let's use bright colors. Here we chose orange and yellow for the seaweed. After finishing the seaweed, take out your blue marker. Since our turtle lives in the sea, use the blue marker to draw wavy lines to depict the water. Finally, take your light blue marker and draw some bubbles in the water. And there you have it! Our entire drawing is complete. Great job, everyone!
Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.